First, open PES.edu website. After that, please register your account by adding email and password which you have added. After that, click on Next Steps. Next, click on Pay button. Then, Accept Terms and Conditions. Then, it moves to the Payment Gateway. Here, you can select any payment options. Here, I am selecting Net Banking option, so I am selecting the bank type. Then, it will automatically move to the official site of your bank. You need to add user ID and password here. Now, click on Login button. After login, you need to fill all these options. After adding all details, click on Continue. Then, you should add OTP. After the successful payment, we can get receipt from PES University. We can download it in PDF format. Now, I am relogging to PES University website. We can check here. Our payment was successful. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please ask me in comment section.